Hey guys, it's Haley. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are headed to Lake Arrowhead for Father's Day, and I'm gonna take you along with me. So I switched spots with my husband. He's gonna drive the rest of the way up the mountain just because I don't feel comfortable doing that. So funny. He gets to do what he wants to do on Father's Day, I guess. That is your dad. I'm sad this place is closed. It looks so cute. So beautiful up here. So we're hoping to take that ferry right there on a tour around the lake. We just have to figure out the tour times. She's Brett!
Hey, look at the fishes.
Wow. Seriously.
Oh, they know.
I know, they know the bag. They know we have food.
Fish is so smart, man.
You sneaky little buggers.
Wow, they know. Good. You want to
So,
get some food?
Art went and bought some food up here somewhere. It's duck food. Right. Delicious duck food to be exact. Okay, go Maddie. Look at them! So cute! Look at, they're going crazy. Listen to them. So the next departure is at 11. We have to go over here. This store definitely has cute things. Wow. Oh, I like this outfit. So cute. Can't go wrong with the butter yellow Stanley. What'd you find? A ball? Did you find a ball? Yes. But let's put it back. This is my kind of store. What are you doing here? Okay, I'm gonna look right. Oh, you think it's an earring? I wonder if they found these up here. Look how cute our little driver is, our captain. What? Your burger looks so good. I need a bite.
This is a burger with cheese and tomato.
Yes.
And I added some ketchup to my plate with some fries.
Okay. Yum. So what do you think of Lake Arrowhead so far?
It's really pretty. A lot.
Art?
I love it.
Love it. Clearly this is my type of store. They have sun catchers in there. Fun fact, I did DIY with my daughter's class when they were in 3rd grade, and they made literally sun catchers that look just like this. It's hard to see because there's such a glare, but the store's closed. I can't go inside. Most of the stores here that I wanted to go into are closed because it's Sunday. So it's about 1:25 p.m. We got here around what time? Like 9:30ish. 9:40. We walked around, did the boat tour, ate some food, and now we're gonna head back down the mountain back to our home. It's about like an hour and 30 minutes. Maybe this was like a cafe, but it's just, you know, a setup. It is so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. So pretty here. Okay guys, so we made it home. It took longer than an hour and a half, unfortunately. It was more like 2.5 hours, but there was an accident and thankfully nobody was hurt. But we made it home. And yeah, I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. It's really gonna be up to him. He'll probably say, let's watch a movie, order some food, and yeah. Thank you for coming along with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye!